Hello everybody, welcome to your English lesson, Baccalaureate Anglais, lesson number 1, an overview of verb tenses, lesson plus exercise with Mr. Ngom. Welcome to my channel on YouTube, Ibrahima Ngom Attitude. Please subscribe for more videos. In today's lesson, lesson number 1, terminal, we are going to deal with the formation of English verb tenses. Summary chart. In English, we have simple tenses, continuous tenses, and perfect tenses. Now, for simple tenses, we have the present, simple past, and simple future. This is part 1. Simple present, simple past, and simple future. Continuous tenses, present continuous, past continuous, and future continuous. It is part 2. And the present perfect, the past perfect, and the future perfect. So here are the tenses, the 9 tenses we are going to deal with in this video. Donc, chers élèves, bienvenue sur votre formation en ligne pour préparer le baccalauréat. Ceci est la première vidéo d'une longue liste. Nous allons faire toutes les leçons, Inch'Allah. Donc, abonnez-vous pour ne pas manquer les autres vidéos à venir. Simple tenses, les temps simples. Here, present simple. I go to school on Mondays. She speaks many languages. Mr. Sek teaches English. These sentences are in the simple present, and we are going to see how they are formed. Past. We lived in Dakar. I went to school on Mondays. They did a good job. Here also, all the verbs are in the past, and we are going to see in details how they are formed. We will come back soon. I shall go to the market. I am going to do the chores. So as you can see, present simple formation is here, past simple formation, and future simple future formation. Now, one by one. Simple present. The simple present is formed by using subject plus base form. Le sujet plus la forme de base du verbe, ça veut dire le verbe sans tout, pour former le présent simple en anglais. Exemple, I like English. Donc ici vous avez to like, on a seulement enlevé le like et on a le tout et on a le verbe conjugué en anglais. I like, le verbe sans tout qu'on appelle base form, c'est comme ça qu'on conjugue le verbe en anglais. Très simple. I like English. To learn, students learn their lessons. To smoke, you smoke too much. Vous voyez, les verbes sont au présent. C'est la base du verbe sans le tout. Et on a le présent simple. C'est aussi simple que ça. Cependant, we add S at the third person singular. On va ajouter S à la troisième personne du singulier. C'est quoi la troisième personne du singulier? C'est he, she, it et leurs équivalents. So we add S at the third person singular. She likes English. Et le S est prononcé. Ce n'est pas comme le français. Ici, le S est prononcé. En français, on ne prononce pas le S du pluriel ni le S de la conjugaison, mais ici, on prononce le S en anglais. She likes English. Mary learns her lessons. The teacher explains the lesson. Donc ici, she, une seule personne, troisième personne du singulier. Mary, une seule personne, troisième personne du singulier. She, une seule personne, troisième personne du singulier. On ajoute S, likes, learns, explains, et on le prononce. Verbs ending in O. Verbs ending in O, like go, do, echo. Verbs ending in X, like relax, fix. Verbs ending in Z, like fuzz, buzz, quiz. Verbs ending in double S, like miss, kiss, dress. Verbs ending in SH, like finish, wash, push. Verbs ending in ch like catch, watch, match. These verbs, they end in es. Les verbes terminés par o, par x, par z, par ss, sh et ch, ces verbes-là, au lieu de mettre seulement un s, on va mettre es à la fin du verbe. Et aussi les verbes terminés par y, lorsque le y suit une consonne, comme try, fly, cry. On va voir, let's see. Let us see this. Modu goes to the stadium. Le verbe go. He fixes the windows. To fix, terminé par x. Fixes. My uncle flies planes. Ici, le y est en fin du verbe et est précédé d'une consonne. La consonne ici, c'est L. Donc, le y disparaît et remplacé par IES. My uncle flies planes. So, here is how we form the simple present in English. You like English. You do not like English. Do you like English? Affirmative form, négative form, interrogative form. Pour les verbes ordinaires, auxiliaires, on va faire une vidéo à part pour les auxiliaires. Pour les verbes ordinaires, à la forme négative, on va emprunter do. Do not plus base form. Do not like. À la forme aussi interrogative, on va emprunter do. Do you like? Example number 2. Mary learns her lessons. Négative form, on va emprunter do. Ça devient does. Mary does not learn her lessons. Et comme vous le voyez ici, il n'y a plus de S. Le S a été pris par do, qui est devenu does. Does Mary learn her lessons? Et n'oubliez pas le point d'interrogation. Don't forget the question mark. It's very important. My uncle flies planes. Mon oncle pilote des avions. Negative form, my uncle does not fly planes. Interrogative form, does my uncle fly planes? So as you can see, in the interrogative form, there is no S because the S has been taken by do. Exercise. Put the following sentence in the simple present. Mettez les phrases suivantes au présent simple, à la forme affirmative, négative, interrogative. Faites une capture d'écran et envoyez-moi les réponses par WhatsApp. Mon numéro de téléphone est sur la vidéo ou bien dans les commentaires. Mane to score at each game. We to clean the playground. My sister to wash my clothes. Simple present, affirmative form, negative form, interrogative form. Simple past. Formation. Simple past. We add ed at the regular verbs. On ajoute ed, la terminaison ed pour les verbes réguliers. Example, like, liked. Students cleaned the table. You smoked too much. Donc, pour les verbes réguliers, on va ajouter seulement ed, comme love, loved, hop, hopped, cook, cooked. So here, play, played, like, liked, clean, cleaned, smoke, smoked. Now, for irregular verbs, pour les verbes irréguliers, il faut voir la liste des verbes irréguliers. For irregular verbs, see the list of irregular verbs. To eat, ate. She ate 3 apples. Write, wrote. Senghor wrote many novels. To see, saw. The teacher saw us. Now, auxiliaries. Modu was sick, to be, was. He had many friends, have, had. I did a good job, to do, did. Je rappelle que les auxiliaires, je vais faire une vidéo spéciale, Inch'Allah, sur les auxiliaires. Donc, abonnez-vous pour pouvoir voir ces leçons-là dès qu'elles seront postées sur ma chaîne YouTube, Ibrahima Ngom Attitude. Affirmative negative form. I liked English. She ate the cakes. Drivers went on strike. le verbe like, le verbe eat et le verbe go. Négative forme, comme au présent simple, on va emprunter do, mais cette fois-ci do au passé. Did. I did not like. There is no ed, il n'y a plus le ed ici. Le ed a été pris par do qui est devenu did. She did not eat. Did not plus base form. The cakes. Drivers did not go on strike. So here you have did not plus base form. Interrogative form, the same. Did I like English? Did she eat the cakes? Did drivers go on strike? Don't forget the question mark here. Question mark. Donc n'oubliez pas ici le point d'interrogation. Put the following sentence in the simple past. Mettez les phrases suivantes au simple past, affirmative form, negative form, interrogative form, et envoyez-moi la réponse par WhatsApp. Mon numéro est sur la vidéo, en début de vidéo. So Mane win many trophies. We sleep in the bus. My sister iron my clothes. Affirmative form, negative, interrogative form. Simple future. How to form the simple future? The simple future is formed with the auxiliary will. Example, I will help you. Will plus base form. Man will clean the graveyard. Jim will invite me. Will help, will clean, will invite. Shall also is an auxiliary for the future. I shall help you. Man shall clean the graveyard. Jim shall invite me. To be going to. I am going to help you. Men are going to clean the graveyard. Jim is going to invite me. So you have three auxiliaries, will, shall and be going to. Et je promets de faire une vidéo spéciale pour vous décortiquer comment utiliser will, shall et be going to. Surtout will et be going to. Inch'Allah. Affirmative form. I will play. Senegal will play against Egypt. Senegal will not or won't play against Egypt. Will Senegal play against Egypt? This is interrogative form of the plural. Number 2, we shall finish the job. Shall not finish. Shall we finish the job? Number 3, Jim is going to drive the car. Negative form, Jim is not going to drive the car. Interrogative form, is Jim going to drive the car? And don't forget the question mark, please. Exercise. Put the following sentences in the simple future. Mane scores many goals. Will, number 1. Negative form. Interrogative form. We clean the graveyard. We shall. Negative form. Affirmative, negative, interrogative form. My sister washed my clothes. With be going to. Affirmative form, negative and interrogative form. Continuous tenses. They are here. Present continuous, past continuous, future continuous. I am going to school. Ils sont formés comment? L'auxiliaire être plus le verbe en ing form. To be plus ing form. They are meeting the boss. Mr. Sek is teaching English. Donc, le présent continuous, to be au présent plus ing. To be au présent, am, are, is, plus ing form. Past continuous, to be in the past, was, going to, were meeting. Mr. Sek was teaching English. So here, present continuous, to be in the present, plus ing form. Past continuous, to be in the past, plus ing form. Now, guess what? Future continuous, to be in the future, plus ing form. We will be going to school. They will be meeting the boss. Mr. Sek will be teaching English. So here is how we form the continuous tenses in English. Affirmative form, you are making tea. You are not making tea. Are you making tea? You were making tea. Past continuous. You were not making tea. Were you making tea? Past continuous. Now future continuous, you will be making tea. You will not or won't be making tea. And interrogative form, will you be making tea? Here is how to form the continuous tenses, affirmative, negative, interrogative. Now exercise. Put the following sentence in the continuous tenses. Mane to train very hard, present continuous. We clean the playground, past continuous. My sister to wash my clothes, future continuous. Affirmative form, here negative form, and the last part, it is for the interrogative form. Perfect tenses. They are formed with auxiliary have plus the past participle. Present perfect, auxiliary have in the present. Past perfect, auxiliary have in the past. Future perfect, auxiliary have in the future. Example, I have eaten the cakes, have in the present. They have met the boss, have in the present. Modu has called the police, have in the present plus past participle. Now, the past perfect, have in the past. I had eaten the cakes. They had met the boss. Modu had called the police. So you have had, have in the past plus past participle. Future perfect, have in the future. Will have plus past participle. They will have met the boss. Modu will have called the police. So as you can see here, you have will have plus past participle. Affirmative form, negative form, interrogative form. Mr. Ba has taught biology. Negative form, Mr. Ba has not taught biology. Interrogative form, has Mr. Ba taught biology? For number 2, we had cleaned the playground. We had not cleaned the playground. Had we cleaned the playground? He will have given me a present. Negative form, he will not have given me a present. Interrogative form, will he have given me a present? So here you have the forms, affirmative, negative, interrogative form. Exercise, put the following sentence in the perfect tenses. Mane to score many goals, present perfect. Affirmative form. We clean the playground, past perfect affirmative form. My sister washed my clothes, future perfect affirmative form. Then you come here, negative form and interrogative form. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you soon. Goodbye.